So it's time to make another video, and I just got another massive haul of car parts to list on eBay. This is probably one of the best finds that I've had in a while. I've just got tons of stuff, mostly OEM, mostly European, nice cars. So I'm gonna take it all out of the car and go through it with you. So here it all is laid out on my garage floor. You see we have a little bit of everything. This is some really high quality stuff. I'm gonna say a lot of this is worth over $100 a piece. We got tons of Mercedes stuff, BMW. There's a rack and pinion there, brand new. G-Wagon parts, tons of M3 parts in the back over there. So if you're new to the channel, I sell car parts on eBay for a side hustle. I do it in a bit of an unconventional way compared to other resellers who might buy scrap cars and part them out or go to the junkyards. In my business, I work with a bunch of auto body and auto repair shops that have a bunch of spare parts laying around. One of the shops that I work with has like 5 or 6 different locations across the city. And just over the years, they've built up tons and tons of spare parts that they've either taken off of cars that are still worth money, or they might order the wrong part and never end up returning it. There's a bunch of different ways why they have these parts. But if you watch one of my past videos from the last week or two, you could see the mountain of parts that they had. So I went back there today. This should last me at least another week or so. Definitely over 100 listings right here. Probably even more than that. So I'll be listing all this stuff on their behalf, and then when something sells, I'll ship it out for them. I'll handle all the payouts, and then I'll take my commission. If it's cheaper, I take 50%. If it's high up, like $1,000, I take about 30. My goal for the next couple days is to start listing as much as I can. Okay, it's a few days later. I listed a bunch of stuff. Here you can see the shelf is full. I got a couple bins on the ground as well. So I made a pretty good dent, but probably still have like at least 100 parts more to list. During those few days as well, I was able to restock on bubble wrap. So I got 1, 2, 3 giant boxes here. Already went through another one. I think I paid $30 for all the bubble wrap and the boxes. It's gonna last me another 2 or 3 months at least. So I'm fine paying that. I also got one smaller bag of bubble wrap. This is like a trash bag with the smaller bubbles. This one is the larger, like 1-inch size. So now I have both. And then I've gone over this plenty of times before in other videos, but I'll do it for the new people. This is my setup for shipping stuff out and also taking pictures. So when I'm listing items, I'll clear this off and then just use that as a backdrop. So out of all the parts that I've listed so far, the first one I want to talk about, I don't even have anymore because I sold it in like 2 or 3 days of listing it. I'll put it on the screen right here. This is a Mercedes AMG intake manifold. So when I originally listed it, it was actually missing one of the top keywords, which is W156, which is the type of engine I think it fits. And once I added that, started getting a ton of views and got watchers, and then eventually sold for $950. It's not complete, it's missing a couple pieces, but it's in pretty good condition. There's no cracks or anything. Comes with the top and the bottom piece and that rail. And the buyer paid for shipping. I also include insurance to make sure I didn't get burned and a signature. So there's proof of delivery, 100%. And I'll probably make about $300 on that sale. The shop will get the rest. That's a pretty good sale to start off with all this stuff. So I was really happy about getting that. Okay, so next up in this box right here is a Phi exhaust downpipe system for C63 AMG. Pretty new version, and got it listed for $1,300. But apparently on eBay, you're not allowed to sell catless downpipes. It's like some emissions rule. So I have to figure out a way to get rid of them. I might be able to list them as like for racing only, and maybe I can get around that way, or I'll list them on Facebook Marketplace. Again, I'm gonna ask $1,300 for them. I think we can probably get at least $1,000. They're brand new. This is a Mercedes GLE headlight. It's in great condition, no broken tabs, no scratches, but you can see here, those drops are from, it looks like the bulb inside melted and then it got into the housing and the chrome trim right there. I'm still gonna list it for $600 or so and take a best offer. On this shelf, you can see here, we have a rack and pinion for Honda Civic Si. And it's OEM, it's brand new. I'm gonna ask $800 for that. This is a Toyota Tacoma headlight in very good condition. Hopefully $100, $200 for that. This is a brand new fender lining for 2 Series. This is some engine bay plate for 5 Series. This is a grill for Audi R8. These two here are headlight trims for G-Wagon. These are kidney grills for a bunch of BMWs. On that box there, we got a front lip for C63 AMG. That's a few $100. Let's see what else. These are K&N filters for Audi R8 V10. This is the OEM version. Steering clock or whatever for Dodge. This is that trim piece that goes in between the windows on a bunch of GM cars. These are super expensive, $100 a piece. I had another one that I already sold. These are great to sell if they're new, even if they're used. Seems like they break or get scratched all the time and people are replacing them left and right. These are pretty cool. I don't know why we have these, but these are Lamborghini door handles, the interior. This is one piece and that's another. Got them listed for $100 a piece, I think. And then a few seat belts. This is a seat belt for $150 or so. Here's another one right here. I think they're both GM or Mopar. I got two of these sway links for Audi R8 or Lamborghini Huracan. Not that expensive, $100 a piece. This is a brand new steering knuckle for Dodge SRT. I think the Durango and the Jeep Cherokee, the Grand Cherokee. What else we got in here? I think that's for BMW. Forget what that one's for. This is the thing that goes around the grill on G-Wagons. Let's see, still have one of the Expedition headlights. That's $500. And then lastly, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these aftermarket rear diffusers for BMW M3, the E46 model. And they weren't a specific company, but I got them listed for $200 a piece. So we got $1,000 in diffusers right here. I already have a watcher and a few views. I'd say I listed about $3,000 or $4,000 this week just in parts. And if you're new to the channel, you can see my setup isn't anything crazy. I have like one shelf here with most of the parts and then a few bins on the ground and then just boxes and bubble wrap whenever I need to ship stuff out. So you can easily replicate this on your own if you have a garage or a closet. Sometimes shops will let me keep stuff at their place, but once I build a relationship with them and they trust me, I can take everything back to my house. Then it's easy for me to just walk down here in the afternoon, grab all the stuff off the shelves that's sold, put it in a box, and then get the stuff in my car. And I have a shipping place like 3 blocks down the street. So I just load up in my car, drop it all off by the end of the day. So I'm gonna keep listing the stuff behind me that I still have. Things have been a little bit slow this month, even though I'm increasing the amount of listings I have. I'm up to like 180, 190 right now, averaging about like 2 or 3 sales a day. There's days where I sell $100, $150 worth of parts, and there's days where I sell over 1,000. So it's completely up and down. That's just how eBay goes. And for those of you that are interested, I did just start up my school community and I added the first course there. So it's basically a crash course explaining what this business model is, how you can do it yourself and get started. And then the community will have a bunch of other stuff in it. You'll be able to DM me and ask me questions there. You can talk to everybody else in the group that's trying to sell car parts on eBay. So yeah, just like an extension of this YouTube channel. If you really want to get serious about this business, then I highly suggest you join it. It's completely free. And looking forward to chatting with everybody there and teaching more people how to do this and hear about your progress. So definitely check that out. I'll put a link in the comments, or I'll put a link in the description. Be sure to visit that and just sign up. It'll take 10 seconds. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.